What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18 and thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you guys one of our most sold tweeters, the TW120. Now we have the TW120B. Full black super tweeter. We have the 120 which is the black and silver. Both are the same tweeter, same specs, just the whole housing changes. A lot of people have been asking for a black tweeter, a stealth tweeter, so we decided to bring the 120 in black. I'm going to open them up and then I'm going to connect them so you guys can check them out. So let's start off with the 120B, which is the new one. So we got a manual, we got the tweeter, got the other tweeter, DS18 sticker. Put one here. Let's open one up so you guys can check this out. So, check it out. The TW120B. It comes with this spacer ring, just in case you need a round setup. You have the ring to help you set it up, bolt it down. If you don't want the ring, you can mount the tweeter without the ring. It comes with its 4 holes. It already comes with a base blocker soldered onto it. In this case, this is a 4.7 at 100 volts base blocker. Power on this guy. This is max power 240. AES power, program power is 120, RMS or AES power is 60 watts. Frequency response is from 2 kilohertz all the way to 20 kilohertz, 103 dBs. This is a 1-inch voice coil. In the previous video, I showed you guys that you can replace the voice coils at home. It is not complicated, it's super easy. So this is the 120B, the black one. Now let's open up the regular 120. Got a manual on this side, sticker. We got 1 tweeter, 2 tweeter. Let's put this guy here. Let's open one up. Here we go. Just like I showed you, the 120, you can see it's the same exact tweeter. One is black, one is silver with black. The same exact tweeter. It also comes with the ring, just in case you guys want to mount it with the ring. If it's easier for you, if you want it to look a little bit sleeker, there you go. To mount the ring, you put it there. It has only one way to be mounted, so the DS18 logo fits in, tucks in perfectly. So there you guys have it. We got the 120 silver and then the 120B, which is the black. Both come with the ring, so you can mount it easier or without the ring, whatever suits you and looks better for you. They both have the same power, same frequency response. It's the same tweeter. I'll remind you the specs. It has 103 dBs, 1-inch voice coil. Frequency response is from 2 kilohertz all the way to 20 kilohertz. AES power is 60 watts. Program power is 120 watts. Max power is 240 watts. And there you guys have it. Now, let's put some music on this bad boy. Let's start off with the silver one. I'm gonna move this out of the way. We got positive. We got negative here. Now phone is linked already. Amp is on. Let's pick out I should always have this ready. And here we go. Start off with low volume. A little bit over half volume. Full volume. Very high. It tunes very high. I always use the bass blocker just to feel safe. I don't want to break them. I don't want to blow them. Maybe they're installed and it's a hassle to swap them out. Now, let's try the black one. Just change the song. Half volume. This thing tunes so high. They sound amazing. They sound amazing. Make sure you guys check these out. Remember, these are the TW120B, the TW120. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.